Hello everyone, I'm Vani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Here is my video lecture of propositional logic. Let's see what is propositional logic. Propositional logic is also known as sentential logic or a statement logic. It deals with the studies of in a way of joining and or not or modifying entire propositions or statements or sentences in form of more complicated propositions, statements or sentences. Here, the propositional logic can be classified into two types. One is atomic proportion, the next one is compound proportion. In atomic proportion, we will consider as single proportion or a symbol. It must be considered that a sentence can be declared which must be either true or false. In compound proportions, it is constructed by combining one or more simpler or atomic proportions using parentheses and logical connectives, which is also known as a combination of atomic and compound proportions. Here, the example of propositional logic is nothing but a simple sentence which gives a meaningful information. For example, a simple declarative sentence, it's also known as propositional logic. Here, let's see what are the sentences is used for propositional logic. It is which makes a sentence or expresses a fact, opinion or an idea. Here is a simple example of a declarative sentences, that is, for example, the sun rises in the east, the elephants are the largest land animals, I enjoy reading books, she is a talented singer, dogs are a royal companions, meeting starts at 9 a.m, the sky is blue, he doesn't like spicy food, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, are the simple examples of a declarative sentence which makes a fact or opinion or a complete sentence that ends with full stop, which convey an information in a full form, which means that it is in a form of a complete meaning. The next one is, here is the next slide. Here in this slide we are going to see natural reduction of propositional logic. What is a natural reduction? It is a proof system in a logic which allows a derivation of valid conclusions from a given premises. Here are the examples for using natural reduction. Here is an argument: P conjunction Q implies R. Here P and Q are the premises and that should be implies concluded by R. The solution must be R. Using a natural reduction, we follow the following steps. Here we have to assume P conjunction Q implies R, then we have to separate P and Q and assume. After that we have to follow the steps using by introducing conjunction introduction and conjunction elimination. From step 2 and 3 we have to derive P and Q. From the step 1 and 4 we have to eliminate the conjunction Q. Then we have to derive for R. At the end of subproof we have to assume that Q is an result. From the steps 3 to 7 we have to derive Q implies R using conditional introduction. From step 2 to 8 we have to introduce P implies Q and Q implies R. From step 1 to 9 we have to eliminate conditional introduction. Then we have to derive R. At the end of the subproof we have to assume the value must be equivalent to P. From the step 2 to 11, we have to derive P implies R using conditional introduction. From step 1 to 12, we have to eliminate conditional elimination. Then we have to prove that R is equivalent to P conditional Q. These are the following natural reduction we have to follow in the proportional theory. We have we can conclude that using this step, declarative sentence, propositional logic, and natural deduction are very important to derive a formula from which one can be concluded within the following derivations. We can see in the next series. Thank you.